Dear students, today we are going to conduct the first experiment. The name of the experiment is verification of the effective resistance of three resistors connected in series. What are the things we require is soldering iron we require flux, we require lead, then we require one multimeter, then we require cutting plier and one lug strip. This is called as lug strip and this is called as single strand wire. Okay, so how we have to continue the experiment, let us see. You require three resistors. We have taken how many resistors here? Three resistors. We have to solder these resistors onto the lug strip. See, where is the plier, nose plier? See, because it gets heated up, that's why you have to hold it using that. Where is the flux? Keep it here. Straight again. Okay. Heat ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You have to take the See, after soldering, what you have to do is you have to blow some air using your mouth so that it will get cooled down. Okay. See, actually, you have to wear the mask. The flux and the lead, no, the fuse what comes will be very, very dangerous for your health. Okay. Then another end you have to solder. If you don't apply the flux, it will become dry solder. Okay, another end, the solder. It has become very hot. You can hold it using this. One resistor we have soldered. We will take another resistor. Yes. Again, using this one only you can hold it. Okay. You take the solder. The fumes which is coming out of this solder is dangerous for you. You have to be very careful. Immediately as soon as you remove this soldering iron, blow some air. Okay. Let us see. Open that. Okay, two resistors we have soldered. Anyway, there is no positive or negative to the resistors. You can connect any of the terminals. Okay?
Any side.
Any side. Either you can use terminal 1 or you can use terminal 2. Any one of these two terminals you can use it. Okay. Now, one end you better connect it in the other point so that if you connect it here, what happens? The original one will open. Previous resistor will get open. No, it's not soldered. Usually it will happen. Slowly you have to do it. Okay. It's very, very hot. Don't hold it. Okay. Even shifting it to somebody else also, you should not shift it like this. You have to give it like this. You have to be very careful. It will be very, very hot. Your hand will get burnt. See how many resistors we have connected?
3 resistors.
3 resistors. Whether we are connected in series or parallel?
Series.
Series. Okay. So one wire we have to take. Okay. Use this cutting plier. See, if you use the center point and cut it fully, it will get cut. In order to remove the sleeve, slowly you have to lightly you have to give the pressure so that it will come out. Okay. So let us see. You have to apply certain flux. Then you have to solder. Both the ends we have to solder. Let us see. Okay. See, this is how you have to hold it. Not like this. Don't hold like this. It is like a pen or pencil. You can hold it like this also. Okay. It is very, very light. Not even 10-20 grams. One end we have soldered. We will take another wire and solder it. No problem. Okay. All the instruments should be with you so that whenever you are working, you will not waste your time. Slowly, little pressure you have to apply so that you will get one end comfortably. Apply some flux. After applying certain flux, anyway you don't want this nose plier here because anyway you have the insulation on this wire, you can directly hold it. Okay, take the soldering iron, use some lead, yes or no? Okay. When your work is over, turn off this because you have to use the multimeter or apply some power. There will be no work for this soldering iron. At the end, whenever you want to return back to the store, then again you reheat it and remove the resistors, then you can give it to him, the instructor. Are you getting? Okay. So now what we have to do is, we have to see the circuit diagrams. One resistor, another resistor, third resistor. 3 resistors are connected in series as per the circuit diagram, and 2 wires are there, one from the right end, another one from the. To keep it, we have to keep it in the ohms range ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೆಡ್. 2 resistors are 1 kilo ohm and another one is red. Okay, so 2 different values of resistances we have. Let us try to measure it. You can connect any end. See how you have to connect, I will tell you. Just tweeze it. Yeah. Are you getting my point? This on another end. Yes. See, what is the total value? 4.16 K. Because it is in the K range. Are you getting? 2K is the smaller value. So this is a bigger value. 4.16 kilo ohms is the value of the resistance which you are doing the experiment. That means 3 resistors you are connecting in a series and trying to get the value of the resistance, and you are getting 4.16 kilo ohms. So depending upon the value of the resistance which you are using, the value differs. Okay, so this is how we have to conduct the experiment for calculating the effective resistance of 3 resistors connected in series fashion. So I will repeat it once again. What all we have done, let us see. We have made use of one multimeter, then we have made use of one lug strip. This is the base on which we are soldering the resistances. Then we have 3 resistors using the nose plier, cutting plier, lead flux, then soldering iron. We have soldered 3 resistors successfully. two wires we have soldered, one from this end, another one from another end, and we had kept it in the ohms range, and we have tried to check the value. If any one of the resistors are not correct, if it is damaged, ಇದು ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯ, ಆವಾಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಡೂ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಗೇನ್, and then you have to check the value of the resistance, total resistance. Okay, this is how the three resistors series fashion we are connecting and trying to get the resistance. Okay, thank you.